Hello everybody. So I wanted to tell the story of my Walipini. This is a project that started 3 years ago, and it's very hard to grow things in Central Oregon because our seasons are very short. So I wanted to build a partially sunken greenhouse, and it is finally built. And I've had it in operation since last summer, but still experimental. But I did want to show you guys the entire process. So I took videos along the way from the very beginning when we dug out the pit to the build, to putting in the wicking beds. These are they're awesome beds, and I will explain how they work. I will explain I'll explain everything from the start. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that this is coming, the build and the continued experimentation with the Walipini. This is May of 2024, and I really haven't gotten started. Oh, here's a little frog living inside. Speak up. Frogs do like the wicking beds because it's filled with water, and they can go down there and stay nice and warm and come up when they want to and eat their fill and then go back down. Anyway, it is middle of May 2024. I haven't really started my planting for this season, but I did put carrots in a few weeks ago. And I am going to, harvest some right now. Let's see here. How about if I get this guy here? Here we go. Harvesting in May, in the middle of a very cold, gorgeous climate. Ho, 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 ho. These guys go deep because of the nature of the wicking bed. And here we go. That is my take. Got a few more to go there, and I will replant carrots because the carrots are doing very well. They didn't do well last year, and I'll explain why. What did and didn't work, and just planted these today, hoping to do hanging tomatoes. See how that goes. And so, yeah, this is just a intro to the Walipini. Talk about ventilation. We'll talk about pests, watering, shade, etc. Click subscribe and come back and see the entire story. Okay? Bye.